English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C1, frustrating, hazard, immensely. Frustrating. Frustrating is an adjective. C1 learners usually know frustrating. Frustrating describes the feeling of annoyance when you cannot change something. Here are some examples. Shopping for shoes can be quite frustrating. One more correct answer and we'd have won. It was so frustrating. It is frustrating to get home and then find that you have been overcharged. Hazard. Hazard is a noun. C1 learners usually know hazard. A hazard is a danger or a risk. Here are some examples. Her main health hazard is the threat of DVT. If you see a traffic hazard, call the radio station. He delivered a speech on the hazards of smoking. Immensely. Immensely is an adverb. C1 learners usually know immensely. Immensely means extremely or to a great extent. Here are some examples. We enjoyed the film immensely. The new London production is immensely popular. He rose to an immensely powerful position in government. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with frustrating, hazard and immensely. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the free CEFR C1 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.